Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial on how to fill out your real estate transactional forms. And in this particular video, we're going to be going over and reviewing the NAR Settlement Addendum to the exclusive right to sell agreement. This document addresses the August 2024 changes regarding broker compensation and MLS advertising rules, and clarifies how listing brokers and property owners must structure compensation moving forward. So with that being said, let's scroll right back up to the top and let's begin with the first field to fill out. This addendum is incorporated into the exclusive right to sell agreement, listing agreement between the homeowners. Let's say James Brown. In this example, it could be dual owners, you would put both names. And for the listing broker, let's say that your name is John Hill. Up next, let's fill in the dates with today's date. Just as an example, let's say that today is March the 2nd of 2026. Regarding the property described as, and then here we would put the property address. Let's just say it's in Brooklyn, New York, random zip code for the tutorial. And it is to be considered part thereof. In the event this addendum conflicts with the standard form section of the listing agreement, then this addendum shall control the following. Number one, the owner understands and acknowledges that the listing broker compensation is not set by law or by any realtor, association, or one key multiple listing services LLC, and is fully negotiable between owner and the listing broker. For number two, owner understands and acknowledges that effective as of August 8, 2024, listing broker may not advertise or make an offer of compensation to other brokers through the one key MLS or any other MLS, but owner agrees that broker may continue to offer the compensation agreed to in paragraph 1 of the listing agreement outside the MLS to anyone authorized under law to receive a commission. And finally, number 3, owner agrees to all other terms and conditions in the listing agreement not covered by this addendum. And those are the 3 paragraphs. Let's just scroll down here to finalize this tutorial. It's very short. As you can see, it's only 1 page that we need to properly fill out. So right here would be the owner's signature by hand or through a digital signature. Here would go the date. If it is a dual ownership, then the second name of the second owner and also the date that they signed. Then we move on to the listing broker authorized rep, the signature here and their dates. Have the listing agent's signature also goes placed here and the date. And that is pretty much it. This addendum ensures that your exclusive right to sell agreement remains compliant with the current NAR settlement guidelines and MLS rules. Always make sure both the owner and listing broker review and sign this document so the effective date is properly established. And thank you for watching this tutorial on the NAR Settlement Addendum to the exclusive right to sell agreement, and we'll see you in the next video.